Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to restrict who can contact you during downtime on Mac. So downtime is designed to help you disconnect by reducing distraction during scheduled hour. By default, you can let downtime follow the same communication rule you have already chosen for screen time. However, if you want even a tighter control, you can switch to specific contact and create a small list of people who can still allow to contact you during downtime hours. This is useful if you only want family members, close friends and other important contacts to reach you while downtime is active. So if you would like to make downtime communication more restrictive, here's what to do. First, you have to click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. After that, go to screen time and then go to communication limits. Now in during downtime section, you can see two different communication choices. The first one automatically matches what communication rule you have selected under during screen time section. As you can see, I have selected the third option. So the first option in during downtime section will automatically matches the selected option in during screen time. And as soon as I switch the option in during screen time, the first option in during downtime will automatically switch according to whatever I have selected in during screen time. And to make downtime more restrictive, select specific contact and here click on select contacts. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom and then choose add from contacts or select add new contact if needed. Choose the people you want to allow and then click on done. And during downtime, only the contacts you have selected will able to communicate with you and everyone else will restricted until your downtime schedule ends. Regardless of border communication rule, you have chosen a normal screen time. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.